The Steam Deck has remained a steadfast player since its inception. Nevertheless, AYANEO has been unwavering in its commitment to unveil new handheld consoles every few months. And with the announcement of the new AYANEO Air 1S, the competition against the Steam Deck seemed pretty strong. But does it have what it takes to beat the Steam Deck? Let's find out. Transitioning to design, the new AYANEO Air 1 is much more compact, and it follows a pretty similar structural layout as the original Air model. On top of that, this is one of the lightest handhelds you will find on the market, with a weight of only 450 grams.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
On the other hand, Steam Deck is much bulkier, and aesthetically, it does look quite good, honestly. Besides, the console also weighs 669 grams, which is a bit heavier, but that won't make any difference, because Steam Deck is really comfortable to hold despite its bulky shape. Let's have a clear look at the display of both these handhelds. The display size of the new AYANEO Air 1S is much smaller. It's a 5.5-inch screen with 60 Hz of refresh rate and 1080p resolution. Despite its size, what makes this screen interesting is that it's going to be an OLED panel, featuring 350 nits of brightness. On top of that, unlike other handhelds, the screen here is completely bezel-less. In comparison, Steam Deck possesses a much larger 7-inch display compared to the AYANEO Air 1S. It's an IPS panel screen with a native resolution of 1280 by 800 and 400 nits of brightness. Although it might not be as impressive as the OLED panel on the AYANEO Air 1S, it is still loved by fans. Well, first of all, compared to the new AYANEO Air 1S, the processor on the Steam Deck seems really outdated, and both these APUs are from different generations. The AYANEO Air 1S features the latest 8-core 16-thread Zen 4 chip with a maximum boosted clock speed of up to 5.1 GHz, which is currently the most powerful chip available for handheld devices. Steam Deck, on the other hand, includes an 8-core, 6-threads custom-made Zen 2 processor with a maximum boosted frequency of 3.5 GHz. As we can see, the new AYANEO Air 1S is at least 2 generations ahead of Steam Deck, mainly because Steam Deck is a more than 1.5-year-old console. So in terms of performance, Steam Deck is definitely left behind. Apart from that, both of these consoles are equipped with LPDDR5 memories and PCIe SSDs. Steam Deck supports a maximum of 16 GB of memory module, while the AYANEO Air 1S offers a maximum of 32 GB. So in performance and processing speed, AYANEO Air 1S takes the lead in both ways. Turning our attention to the performance, AYANEO has showcased several gameplay videos that demonstrate impressive TDPs at various levels. When running Forza Horizon 5 at 720p settings with 20 watts, this console achieves an average of 77 FPS while maintaining a temperature of 57 degrees Celsius. Also, when upgrading to a 1080p resolution with identical settings, it still manages to reach at 60 FPS mark, with the temperature slightly elevated at 58 degrees Celsius. Steam Deck, however, cannot game in 1080p resolution on a handheld mode, but while docked in with an external monitor, it certainly can. Games like Forza Horizon 5 can run at 60 FPS at 720p lower settings, while the FSR is on. However, the temperature might go as high as 79 degrees Celsius. So yes, gaming on the AYANEO Air 1S is definitely going to be a much smoother experience than the Steam Deck, simply because the internal hardware is much superior and powerful. Jumping into conclusion, the base version of the upcoming AYANEO Air 1S will cost around $799, while the base model of Steam Deck costs only $399. So considering the price range, Steam Deck definitely ensures the most value when it comes to modern handheld consoles. The price they offer is simply unrivaled. However, powerful handheld consoles such as the AYANEO Air 1S are definitely worth checking out if you want a seamless gaming experience on a handheld device. So that was all about the comparison between the AYANEO Air 1S and Steam Deck. Do let us know which one of these handhelds you'll be going for in the comments.